Om Arham. The whole world is talking about meditation. Research says that the number of people who meditate has tripled in the last 3 years. So, what is meditation? Meditation is the practice of focusing our mind. It is the practice of training our attention and awareness. Meditation can be simply closing your eyes and sitting down to observe your own thoughts. It can also take many forms like concentrating on a particular mantra, concentrating on any particular center or color, or just simply observing everything and anything that is happening inside you. Acharya Mahapragyaji, a very renowned saint and philosopher, has given us a beautiful technique called Preksha Meditation. Preksha Meditation is considered as one of his very significant contributions to the world. In his words, meditation can help us to realize our own self, to realize our true nature. Acharya Mahapragyaji many a times uses this metaphor of the lamp. He says that a lamp can help us to understand the importance of meditation. In a dark room, a person walks and he stumbles against everything that comes on his way. Frustrated, he starts blaming every object which has made him fall down in the room. But it is very clear that the problem is not the objects which are making him fall. The problem or the reason for his struggle is the darkness in the room. Once a lamp was lit in the room, the objects in the room became very clear, and he knew how to navigate among these objects. Similarly, our mind is also a dark room, and meditation is like a lamp. It helps us to light or illuminate our mind, and therefore we are able to see our own thoughts and our own emotions. Therefore, we are able to realize what is the reason for everything that we are doing or what is happening. In this case, we start accepting the main reason for the happenings, and we do not blame the external circumstances or people around us. So meditation can be like a path shower, the illuminator of our thoughts or our mind. Meditation is practiced for various other reasons as well. Last week, my friend asked me, I don't want to become a monk. Neither do I want to go to Himalayas and stay in seclusion. Then why should I practice meditation? I have no interest in knowing about emancipation or liberation. Should I or can I also practice meditation? So I generally told my friend that meditation is not only for the monks or the people who want to reach emancipation. It is a tool for every single human being to live a stress-free and a happy life. Meditation helps us to clear our mind, reduce our thoughts, think clearly, and reduce our tensions or imaginations for the future. It also helps us to transform our habits. We all want to live a healthy and a happy life. For good physical, mental, and emotional health, we need the practice of meditation because it helps us to remain stable and calm. Try to remain in the present moment. It helps us to not get engaged into our thoughts and just see them as they are. We all want to have a disciplined approach towards life, and meditation helps us to cultivate that discipline in our life. So, meditation is a path for living a life of balance between activity and inactivity. In today's fast paced life, we have a lot to do and a lot to achieve. But in this race of activity, we have to give importance to inactivity, so that not only our sympathetic nervous system is active, but also our parasympathetic nervous system gets a chance to active to be activated in our body. This way, meditation is a complete package which can help us to live a happy and content life. Thank you.